Welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a versatile kitchen appliance that's been making waves, the Hamilton Beach Crisp Toaster Oven with Air Fryer. Powerful air circulation. The Sure Crisp Air Fry convection function ensures powerful air circulation, which helps achieve an even crispy texture for your food. It allows you to cook delicious fries, wings, and vegetables with little to no oil, providing a healthier alternative to traditional frying methods. 4. Versatile cooking options. This toaster oven combines the functionality of air frying, toasting, baking, and broiling in one appliance. It provides the flexibility to prepare a wide range of dishes, from crispy snacks to baked goods, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Spacious 4-slice capacity. With a generous 4-slice capacity, this toaster oven offers ample cooking space. It can accommodate everything from a few slices of toast to a 9-inch pizza or a 3-pound chicken, making it suitable for both small and large meals. Complete accessory set. The Hamilton Beach Crisp Toaster Oven comes with essential accessories, including a metal air fry basket, bake pan, and broil rack. These tools enhance its functionality, allowing you to air fry, bake, broil, and toast with ease. Precise cooking performance. Equipped with high-quality heating elements, this toaster oven delivers precise and accurate temperatures ranging from 200°F to 450°F. It ensures even cooking without hot spots, resulting in perfectly cooked meals every time. User-friendly design. The intuitive controls and clear display make operating this toaster oven simple and straightforward. Its user-friendly design is suitable for both novice and experienced cooks, making meal preparation quick and convenient. Click the link in the description to grab your Hamilton Beach Crisp Toaster Oven with Air Fryer today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cooking tips, tricks, and product reviews.